Want to learn how to reset the password of your Snapchat account or how to recover your old Snapchat account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed Snapchat app on my phone. You can also do the same and then tap on it. Now tap on login next to sign up. Now you can enter your username or email or your phone number as well. And after that, we can tap on forgot your password. So I've already entered my username, so I'm going to tap on forgot your password below. Now we have an option of selecting that either we want to reset our password through phone or through email. I'm going to tap on through phone. You can do off your own and then enter your particular phone number. After that, tap on continue below so that they can send us an SMS verification code. So wait for the verification code and then enter it. When you're done doing it, so you can see that now I have an option of keeping a very new password. Password must be at least of 8 characters, so make sure to make it stronger and then tap on confirm password below and re-enter the new password once again. When you're done doing both and finish making the new password very strong, tap on submit below. So you can see that your password has been reset. Now you can log in below with your very new password. I'm going to do it. You can also do the same by tapping on password below. When you're done doing it, tap on login below. Just by doing it, you can see that you are logged into your own old Snapchat account. That means you have successfully reset the password of your Snapchat account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.